today I'm going to be opening a Star Wars egg and the Star Wars blind bag. So first let's start with the Star Wars blind bag. Oh, this is Captain Phasma. Let's pop her over here. Now I wonder who we got in this one.
You know, we all carry stuff on our fingers. Yeah, and people just look at it and poke it.
Wow, we got some lollies. Oh, and we got C-3PO's head. There's yellow, pink, green, and oh, who did we get? We got Yoda. And oh, look at all of these. These are all the things that you can collect. And here's all the characters that you can get.
It's time to get back, and it's a gravitational thing too. Like you fell into what's going to
So,
affect all that fluid out of your tissues.
this is all the stuff we got. We got a Yoda, we got some lilies, C-3PO, and we got Captain Phasma. I like how smooth she feels. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!